What's going on, everybody? Might be kind of windy out. It's a little chilly. Guess what day it is? Black Friday. Hey, hon, you like it? What's going on, baby? Man, Mike did it up. Ryan Fowler, next error. That thing is wicked, as Mike would say. That's the house of, that's the back on the rack side. What'd you say, Pip? And then this is the house of Tuck side. All these sponsors, thank you so much, every single one of y'all. Man, what a good looking ride. I tell you, Mike just keeps on doing it. Chase, Ryan Fowler, just split her right down the middle. Thank you to all these people for continuing to make it happen. I don't know if y'all can see on the roof up there. Look, we even got our portraits on there. Bandit CrossFit. Big dogs on the roof here. That's our primary for the dome. Thank you so much, 850 Construction Services. I got a feeling you're gonna see more of them. Griffin Solutions. Got several on here that came on for this event that I think are gonna be with Chase for a while. Look at Fowler, the weatherman. Weather forecast, 100% chance of making it rain. Again, all of these people that reached down in their wallets and helped us get here. Big thanks to Summit Racing, Peepaw Plumber. As you can see, he made the deck a little bigger. Bulletproof Tees, Scott and Carrie Swanner. Awesome job on our merch as always. Mr. BB, Headliners Plus, all jacked up. Bauer Farms, Mr. Nick Bauer, Ashley Loren. Look, all of these people. Thank y'all. The Ridiculous Speed Shop. Awesome. Every single one of y'all. Thank y'all so much. We appreciate it. Hope to make y'all proud at the Dome. Hope you don't embarrass us, y'all. Now, at this point, you know, we all know it can go really good or really bad. And we're hoping it goes really good. So, oh, I left. So, next era designs, but look right there. He got him a big one in here. Hopefully, there's a camera and a microphone in the window right here, and you'll get to see that right there on camera is what I'm doing. So here we go. The Dome, baby. They're leaving out tomorrow morning, Sunday morning. Today's Friday. We're leaving Tuesday. So we'll see y'all at the Dome. Here we go. I know what you're saying.
You know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying.
See what this.
Rose, what's up, baby? Hey, baby. Man, that's kind of chilly, y'all.
Yeah, it is hot.
It's going to just get us ready for what's to come.
That's it.
What'd y'all do, blow the gator off the wall? Yeah.
I have no idea.
Yeah, I heard that big bad joker running. These look like some more they're working on for Uncle Blaze, and Uncle Devin's got some too, and I'm assuming they'll be for sale at the Dome. Chase has got his. Yeah. Y'all ready?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's clean in here. It looks good. Look at that arsenal of welders over here. Mike, that joker there,
Yeah,
bad to the bone, cat. Bad to the bone.
That's the one.
Yeah, I got me another Poo-Woo. It's a AC TIG welder, 205.
ACDC.
ACDC, yeah, y'all know what's up. Different than what you're thinking, but yeah, it's a aluminum TIG welder. I need to practice a little, I ain't gonna lie. That's something I've never done, so I'm gonna need a little work myself, but it'll do it.
Oh, yeah.
It's bad to the bone. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Well, I just figured I'd check in with y'all, see what was up. Load day.
That's always a good Monday morning. Or I mean Friday morning. It feels like a Monday.
You were really close.
Whenever the car's out and it's dome. It's a dome wrap, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we brought her outside, took a couple pictures for the reveal. Obviously I think it turned out pretty dang good. But it's time to load this joker up, huh?
That's it.
4 new tires, beautiful wrap, and a halfway driver.
Yep.
Bust her off, dude.
And a big new bumper.
Yeah, I get a real bumper on this thing. Yeah, right. Get him, Rose. Go get him. All that jacking on the trailer.
Yeah. Wore down.
Man, I'll never forget.
What day is it, hon? What day is it, Mike?
Saturday. Clean day, I guess.
What we do, 2 weeks this time?
Yeah.
Maybe a week? I don't know. I can't keep up. I know we getting all we can get out of that shop vac,
Yeah.
but it's doing it.
You gonna do something?
What do you want me to do?
Anything.
He saw me going to get the camera so he can put some gloves on. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Okay.
Mike, there's a switch on there that blows instead of sucks.
Oh yeah, boy.
I promise you, he'd rather have that clean water than what you could put on him.
Are you even doing anything, or are you just pushing it around?
So
Are
did-
you watching? Yeah, I'm doing
Yeah,
something.
look.
I don't mean to break y'all up, but today's Saturday. Y'all leaving tomorrow, huh?
Yeah.
What about the weather?
That's
Gonna-
another thing.
We're gonna drive in some winter weather.
Yep.
Yeah. I never look forward to that. 2 years ago did me in Vado. Coming home, coming through Texas. Never again.
We got some of it earlier this year.
Yeah.
Ocala.
Yeah. Yeah.
Way worse than going to Texas.
Yeah.
What? We rolling
You
70.
slept through it, honey. You slept through it,
We
honey.
was rolling 70.
We sat on the interstate for 6 hours.
Where'd we stop at?
Mobile Bay Bridge, the best I can
Yeah,
remember.
exactly. It sat there.
Whatever, dude. Honestly.
All right, move.
Clean water, let's go.
No, you're supposed to suck all of that out of there.
Clean water, let's go.
I don't know if they told y'all or not, but that's a body job right there. When we get back, they're putting a body on that factory stock. First one they've done in a while. They hadn't had no bodies to do in a long time, so it's pretty exciting. And as soon as that one leaves, they got another one to do. So for the same people. So yeah, pretty exciting. All right, well that's it. They ain't too talkative, so we'll check in later. You got him back, Mike?
Yeah.
Final preparation, fixing to leave. It is Saturday. They're leaving out tomorrow morning. St. Louis. Gateway Dirt Nationals. Can he not get up that bump or what? She won't get up that bump?
We ain't strong enough to carry it from here to there?
Wow.
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Let's just roll the whole table.
I'm worried about you.
So we 45 minutes later and they're still
You're a
arguing.
sissy.
So and they going on a road trip together again. They still arguing. So got the table clean, man, and it looks really good. They simple greened everything, cleaned the outer rails and everything. Got this thing looking like brand new again. So good job on that. We walked out there, was leaning on the back of Chase's truck, and they went fishing down on the pier the other day, and it's like having two sons now. Anyway, we was leaning on their truck just now, and there's tackle box and shrimp bucket, a live shrimp bucket in here, and I noticed the tackle box hinge was hanging off, so I was just going to try to do them a favor and fix it. And I opened it up, and I'm like, that's my tackle box. And they both started smiling, and Mike said he hadn't even been in there. It didn't even know that Chase did it. So I opened up my lid to try to fix my hinge, and inside the lid, it was half hanging out and half in there. There was a leader in here that had a little bitty hook on it, like a brim hook, and it had a piece of dead shrimp still on it sitting in my tackle box. So I'm realizing that this is my little tackle box because all the other stuff I ever owned comes up missing. So I had went and bought this a while back and kept it hidden. So that's why I still had it. But apparently he found it, Chase did. And Mike claimed he didn't mess with it, but Chase said that was Mike that was using the little hooks that was inside there. So anyway, they just riding around with my tackle box back here with the lid half hanging off of it with dead shrimp in the box. So I got it out. So anyway, I told them, I said, it's like having two sons around here now. And they just laughed, and they said the reason it's still in here because they're going to go fishing tonight. And asked me if I wanted to go. So anyway, they leaving tomorrow. So y'all pray for safe driving through this weather, and a good time and a good turnout at the Dome. But we'll check in with y'all later, and next time you see anything, it should be Dome related. So we'll catch y'all later. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, and we'll see y'all soon. Later.